Recording is on.
It is the 15th of April, 2021. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, so Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada, and past week I didn't do anything I can think of. Coming week I don't anticipate I will. I think that until June it's going to be a little iffy. And blocks are just everything going on. Me and my family. And that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Olchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. I must report that I also did not do anything this week. I read a little bit about how to put the ESP32 into the various sleep modes that it has to save on battery power so that the battery lasts a little longer and you can get tank levels for many more days, but I didn't actually try anything. Next week, I'm hoping to get some demo stuff done on the tank level, and probably I would really like to get some videos put out, and I don't know how to motivate myself to do that. No blocks, and I guess that's back to you, Mark.
Okay, I'll give myself a 2, the team a 9, and no process improvement.
I'm going to give myself a 2 as well. I'm going to go with a 7 for the team, and I also have no process improvement. So that pretty much does it for our stand-up, unless you have some crosstalk.
Yep, I have some crosstalk, not too relevant to the WIKISPEED, so I go end the recording.
Okay, now we're going to